Hey everybody, welcome back to the 67 Stang channel. I know it's been a while, so this is going to be a short one. Hope you're having a great 2024 so far, but I found a mystery leak on the Stang. I'm not sure where it's coming from or exactly what it is, but let's go take a look real quick, shall we? Okay, you can probably see the pile down there. It's got some leaves in it of cat litter. So I noticed that was where the leak was coming out. It seemed somewhat clear, but viscous, meaning it was slippery. So it's got to be coolant or oil or brake fluid. Now, let's look under here. So what I noticed is, let's see if you can get back in there and see that somewhere back over there, it was dripping off the bottom of where the starter mounts up to the transmission bell housing. So I think it might be a freeze plug, although all of these here look good and there might look good. But anyway, I've got to get in here and diagnose it. So that's going to be our next project.